Like, subscribe, and get notified.
I think my study market दिले जाते हैं for demolition of the market, old market, fish market and side of the fish market. I think collector also has given an order basically to demolish that. So that will be done.
So the दोन बिल्डिंग आते एक
Yeah, it's unsafe. That main building आती. ती मार्केट ना फिश मार्केट आते साइडीचे जात.
नाव आल्तीनाचे म्हणतात ते दोन
हे ना म्हणतात staircase झाली म्हणतात.
नाव आल्तीत म्हणतात ते दोन साइडीचे बिल्डिंग
That is the reason I'm saying whatever CCP was there on the site when this building basically gave way. So CCP is aware of whatever structures are basically weak. So and we will have an audit and we will have a report basically done by both either PWD or the engineering.
Now the market situation is an even worse situation. See, there are people who are currently occupying the top floors. They don't have a trade license, so people are there illegally. We now at the bottom we have fish vendors, we have our chicken vendors, we have our mutton vendors. All of them very good people. Now problem is I don't want to be in a situation now where that building falls and it causes the death of these people. See, now we had issued a demolition order for the building some time back, but the court had granted a stay of your status quo. See, those people are not paying us anything. In fact, their illegal business is going on. Today, the commissioner has taken out one order, so at 4 o'clock, we have received, we are sending them instructions to basically vacate the premise and we want to seal the premise. So once the the premise is sealed, we will see what the next step is to be. But we want the building to be demolished. See, we've asked for the phase 3 building also supposed to come up. Now it cannot come up now because this building is in the way also. So we'll check and see what happens. First, we want to seal the building.
What the vendors there?
See, the vendors, I have no issue with the vendors there. I am not. I know they're waiting in my office also now. We have no interest in relocating or throwing them out or any of that thing or affecting their livelihood at all. In fact, they are the only ones who are actually paying us proper. So our intention right now actually was to build a new fish market for them and a new area for the meat vending people also. Now I think all of them must have got a notice, so all of them have panicked. See, I am not interested in moving them.
Upendra for Herald TV.
Watch on Herald TV.